If you're planning to come to Canada, just prepare for pay for everything. Yes. So, if you're not a person who believes in paying bills, I'm telling you, stick to the evil way you know, because the JPS is the same everywhere. So, guys, yes. So, Hydra here is like JPS back home, right? The current way you use and everything. And I'm telling you, I have a baby, Mia this year. So I was like, no, we can't go through the summer like this with the young baby. Because I tell us when summer come here, the little summer when we get here in Canada, it's very hot. I tell her it's like heat stroke or we kill you to hold the place hot. So I say, no, sir. Make we get a AC. And I tell the people. Me used to pay like what you call it? Less than $60, like $50 or so for hydro monthly. I say one bill come $110. I say what the I saw I go look on the usage them, right? I may tell us say July and August my bill was like 100 and something dollar each because the AC what we use just fly right up. You understand? During the year we use heat, but I guess it's not so bad. But the AC really burn the current. You understand? So I was just like, Jesus, please, this bill is like me I pay twice as much. And one thing in Canada, your bill will go come on time. If your bill come on the 17th, if due on the 17th, it will come that the time there. And you need to pay the bill that time. So, you see, if you pay your bill late, so you just get rid of the bill, the next one will come on time. So, make them say stress. These bills, this is why people stress out. Because if you pay the bill late and then the next one come on time, you know yourself, you say, how the bill come so quick. But how quick it coming up? It don't come quick, man. It come on time. It's just that you don't have the money to pay. So, I'm telling you guys, that is not good for you because we have a thing here in Canada we call credit, right? You know, in Jamaica, you have your money. You see something you want, your car, your fridge, your bed. You don't trust it, you just go pay for it. Yeah. Here in Canada, credit is better than cash. You see, if you don't have no credit, nobody don't want give you nothing, lend you nothing. You understand? Say if you go for one car or you go for buy a house or buy anything, they check your credit score. And if it's not good, they don't want to give you anything because let me explain. Maybe not if you're not from Canada or like America, like not from a foreign country, you don't understand what credit mean, right? So your credit is like a history of your payments, right? So you see, if you see at Jamaica, you take people them things and you don't pay for it, and it's okay, it's alright, like no whatever. No, it's like say you write down in one book. Excuse me. So every time you go for question, it show you your history, how you did take a credit card, you need to pay it back. You understand? Or you did take out one car, you never pay for and then come back and take it. Yes, I saw it go. So when people see your bad history, your bad credit score, they know say no, you not to be trusted. You cannot be trusted because you don't pay. You understand? So no, no matter how much money you have, and say no, because you know what Jamaica, you have your money, you just go buy your stuff here. So if you walk into the bank with $10,000, they want to know where you get it from. Where did this money come from? Because you have to claim it on your tax and all these things. You have your 100,000 Jamaica. You just walk into a store, pay for your stuff. At least when I was there, because I left in 2008. So I don't know. But you know, I was in high school. I am pretty aware of everything that my whole childhood is in Jamaica, right? So it's like if you bring $10,000 right now to the bank will ask you where you get it. They need to know your source. You understand? You know, just take up money and go. No, no, no. And that's Canada run. So you see your credit is very important. So when them check your credit score and say you did take out this loan and you pay it back, oh, that's good. You're building credit. You understand? You pay your bills on time. Your credit is good. Let me not lie. For me, credit score is not the best. I think me there's 712. 712. And the credit score range from like 300 to 900. So it's when you're above 800 and 859 up there, so you know, say you're well good. You're well good. Anything you go for take out, them not even question you too much. You understand? Right now they say me they're good. Before it was at like 500 and something when me first check it, and it was saying fear or no 490 first time when me check it, and it was saying need work. They make bill it up. It go 500 and add. It say fear. Now me the 700. Me just I reach look me that the lower 700. Not even the highest 700. The lower. It just say fear. FAIR. Fear. That means say me a come along. So yes, dear. So my advice is pay the bill on time. Me don't know. The thing is, if you're there, you have to work. If you not work, you must depend on welfare. Nobody don't want nobody in the country on welfare. As you can see, Canada cut down on immigration big time. For the last week in the news, me I watch. They must say they don't want no more this. They not renew work permit. They not then approve visas as much as before and this and that. All kind of something, right? Because they're saying that people are coming in the country. They can't even speak English or French properly, right? So you know what happened, you know? They want you to take an English or French test before they can give you anything. Because you are coming in the country, you know, speak none of the two important language them in the essential languages in the country. Right? So how you gonna get a job? How you gonna work? So they're cutting out all this because they don't want nobody come live on them system. You understand? Because this place is about working and paying your bills. Yes. You have to work and you have to pay the bills them because the bills them come like clockwork. And if you're late, them still a come. You understand? It no matter. The one thing for certain in this country is bills. Your bill are gonna come. I'm telling you. Okay, so I have the internet that I pay the hydro because I'm renting. Water come and every week give water, but water them say water included. But you know say water not really free. You know, you and me know say the water not really free. Them just tell you that, but them take it out somewhere. You understand? Them take it out somewhere. So if you don't pay the bills, imagine me now not pay my internet and my kids them is only on them gadgets, YouTube. You know what I mean? You know how stressful it is for your mother or parents can't provide how you feel when you can't provide for your kids them. And I broke your them body, you know, or spoil them, you know. But you these look good basic. Right now internet, one time internet was a privilege. When me got Jamaica and the first time I got on the computer in a grade 6, right? And it was so wonderful. No, them are something here is a basic necessity for kids have them something them gadgets and something. It basic no. Them the days there primary days there was a privilege for me. Me so happy when a computer day. And sometimes when a computer day they say the computer not working. Imagine. It just crushed me. But now you have kids. These things are essential. They want their internet. They want their computer and their laptop, their Chromebook. Okay, so with all that I just said about, you know, bills and everything, there are programs here that can help you if you apply for them, okay? So when me said that somebody, I was telling somebody and they were saying that them they know a program where we can apply for that will help me to pay the hydro bill. So I'm like, okay, yeah, sure, let me know. So um it's called electricity. Wait, me I can put it on the screen. I forgot the name. Something like that. Um Electricity Commission. You just go on that website, guys, sign up for it. So I signed up, and right away it's gonna ask you like for the numbers of person in your house, their age and everything, and it's gonna ask you for like your tax income, how much you made, and then it's gonna show you how much you get approved for. um so we get approved for $45, guys. So they ask you for like your the bill number, everything, because they're gonna pay this money for you monthly directly. you know I think it's for a year, and then after it you do your tax again. I guess you get evaluated, right? So yeah, so now I will be getting $45 to help with my Azure build. That is lovely. That is lovely. So no matter how hard things is, there are programs here to assist you. It's just to find the programs and to find out and to get the help. You understand? Because one thing I find here in Canada, help is here, but nobody tells you. You have to go and ask for the help. That's the thing. You know what I mean? So there you go. Me find out and me I share it with you know, so you can go find out, you can go get help too. I thank you guys so much for like tuning into my channel. I really enjoy and love reading you guys comments. Some of them good, some of them harsh, but everybody, I welcome your opinion. You understand? Because it's your opinion, not mine. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.